Hi guys, welcome back. Today I have one of my favorites, a whole collection of washi tape. That's right, I ordered a bunch. So let's take a look. That is a lot of washi tape. Okay, this is my washi tape I got from Washi Wednesday. So it says, enjoy 10% off your first purchase. And there is a code you can use. So if you want to get some washi tape, you want to save 10%, please use this code. Okay, it's little extra pieces. Okie dokie. Okay, these fat ones. These are nice. These are masking tape. So this is extra sticky packaging tape. So this is a very pretty spring color. So this is, I guess, a little stronger than original washi tape. This is like a masking tape, so that's very pretty. Okay, here we have some more masking tape. This has a William Morris design. Pretty golds and teals and blues. That's very nice. Okay. Oh, this is cute. This has a very pretty springy, where's my camera? Right there. Springy, folksy look. Let's see. Folksy. I said folky. Folksy. Maybe a little. That's pretty. There were these two. And here was this one. So pretty. Here's some strawberries. Okay, we'll take a look at this one. This is a Halloween one. This is very cute. Look how cute that is. Trick or treat. And they have little sayings on them, little stories. So that's cute, little Halloween. And this one, I took the package off, but I want you to see this. It's so pretty. Just kind of like a gold seal. I thought that was pretty cute. That goes with this guy. And he's just doing his thing. It looks It looks like he's a little stressed at work here, but then he's free falling. Strawberries. I wanted a variety of washi tapes, things that I really don't see at Hobby Lobby. And I heard about Washi Wednesday, and I thought, I'll give them a try. And they did. They had very unique washi tapes, and they feel like they're very sticky. They feel very strong. Let's see. Here's one for kids. Little kids. W for wolf. That type of thing. Let's see. Look at that, super cute. I love these orange flowers on black. This is one of my favorite. Look at these pandas. How cute is that? It's a parade of animals. And the last one are the witches. They're late to the washi ball. These are so cute. A Day of the Witch. Waking up. Oh, you can't see. A Day of the Witch. Waking up. She got a broom. Super cute. Okay, everybody, I hope you enjoyed taking a peek at my new washi tape. If you have a favorite or you have any questions, leave a comment below, let me know. This one is one of my favorites. It's just so springy. This one. And let me pick one more. Oh, this one, of course. So these are my favorite. But I'm delighted with all these washi tapes from Washi Wednesday. And I didn't have to leave my house. I could just order it online under Washi Wednesday. So, anyways, thank you so much for joining. I hope you enjoyed the washi tape. And I will see you next time. Thank you. Goodbye.